train. A little engine, Toby is his name. He's quaint and old-fashioned, but careful and wise. His coach is Henrietta, and she's seen better days. His Meccans returning to the good old days, when they were busy working every day. But nobody rides with them nowadays. They can't understand why things have changed. Their line is closing down today forever. Toby, oh Toby, what will become of you? The world's much nicer whenever we see you. Toby, dear Toby, there's still lots that you can do. Always but always, we still care about you. All of the children came to say goodbye. They clapped and cheered as Toby rang his bell bye-bye. Everyone was sad to see them go. Whatever will they do, and where will they go? Suddenly news came to brighten up their day. How Toby and Henrietta were needed right away. The fat controller had written to say, could they please come and help right away? Now they're part of his family forever. Toby, oh Toby, show them what you can do. The world's much nicer whenever we see you. Toby, dear Toby, there's so much to learn from you. Always but always, we still care about you. Always but always, we still care for you.
Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and you may remember me from that one movie, Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Well, right now, I think it's time to tell a story of how Thomas and his friends, or wait, what show is this? Oh yeah, right. How Toby and his friends are all doing on this very special holiday.
The engines, during this time of season, are working harder than they usually can, due to the fact that each and every holiday, everyone has to get back to their homes. One day, as Thomas was about to go to his branch line, he stumbled and saw Toby.
Oh hey Toby, what's up? Happy holidays.
Yep, you can say that for sure.
What are you doing out here anyways?
Nothing much really, just making sure that the railway is safe, especially since this is the time of year where a lot of robberies happen. I see. Well, I best be getting on now. My passengers will be grumpy if they're not taken to their homes. For sure, Thomas, for sure. Well, see you later. Thomas puffed off. This is gonna take a while until someone shows up. But in the meantime, look at the tree. It certainly is beautiful. And Toby was right on that statement. It was so high that you would need 11 engines to get on here. Eventually, Toby was just exhausted, so he decided to leave where his destination was at and decided to head back home to the sheds. The next day, Toby came back, better than ever. By the time he already arrived, Thomas and Percy were there to greet him a very special happy holiday, especially since it was indeed Christmas Eve. Happy Holidays Eve, Toby, whether you celebrate Christmas, Kwanzaa, or Hanukkah. Well, first off, I celebrate Christmas with you guys, and secondly, the same to you. What are you doing here anyways? Oh, well, we just decided, hey, why not we go to Toby's branch line? Yeah, agreed with him, Percy said. I mean, after all, you have been here for the past few couple of days, just, sitting here endlessly. Who would want to be here just all by himself? Which is why we decided to come back here. Well, I wouldn't say come back, but you know what I mean. We decided to just hang out with you for a little while. Aw, thanks guys. Although I do have a question for you guys. Yes? Where's Edward and James? Oh, they'll be here momentarily. Yeah, they're just running a little late, Yeah, especially since James and Edward were assigned by Sir Topham Hatt to do a goods train. Ah, I see. But not to fret, they'll be here in a moment. Speaking of which, here comes Sir Topham Hatt now. Hello, my fellow engines. Oh, and by the way, happy holidays, everyone. I have a little bit of a surprise for all of you. Do you see it? Sure. Alright then, and Sir Topham Hatt left. Because the surprise was the tree glowed for countless hours, and the engines looked up and upon and beyond the tree. Wow, this is awesome. Only James and Edward were here. Just then, Toby got his wish, as James was approaching right on time. Oh boy, Edward, help! Just as his driver and fireman tried to get in, Edward tried to apply his brakes. It's right behind the train, but it's too late. Toby, look out, huh? Whoa, oh my! Phew, stopped, thank goodness. Wait, James, where are you? Oh. Ouch. Huh, where am I? Wow, this is a larger track than ever expected. Whoa. Well, let's look at a move on. Ugh. Oh. 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 Wait. What's that sound? Uh-oh. Oh boy. It's best if I get going. Oh no. No. I'm stuck. Oh no. No. Oh boy. Oh boy, here we go. Great. Just when I just got back on the rails, look what we have here now. A situation where I'm gonna have to go off the rails. Well, wish me luck, you guys. Wait, aren't you forgetting two people? Oh yeah, right. Rob! Brodius! Yes, Toby? We got a code runaway. I repeat, we got a code runaway. Oh no! Yep. That looks like it for sure. Ah! Don't worry, we'll be on our way. More like you'll be on your way. Wait, what? Here we go. Come! Oh! Hey, I'm on the train. Huh, kind of ironic since we are trains, but oh well. Hopefully this will be a smooth journey. Toby, don't worry, I'm on my way. Alright, I have to figure out how am I gonna get to that side. Alright, okay. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Oh! Oh! Oh, thank goodness it's gone. Toby, you good? Yeah, I'm fine.
Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming? Never takes a rest. You can ride for free. You bet.
Don't worry, almost there.
Golly, look at it go.
Hurry up, will ya? I will.
'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
Hang on, James. Everything's under control.
It's a choo-choo and a stunning view that rivals all the best. But you won't ever see it
Here's what I want you to
advertised.
do. What do you want
It's
us
a
to
simple
do,
fact. We stay on
essentially?
track, though sometimes we
Jump
digress.
off.
But that can
Jump
only
off.
happen
Are you
on the
insane?
Polar
It's our
Express.
only way out of this. I
That's
guess
the
you're
sound of
right.
it breathing.
Alright, when we head to the next stop, that's when we truly jump off. Alright.
Because that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Lights are gleaming.
Alright, get ready to jump off. 3, 2, and... Darn it, we missed our stop. It's okay. We'll find another place. Oh! Oh!
That's the sound of the singing.
Hey! Hey, at the very least we can jump off now. What?
Manifest.
Right here? Yes, right here. Why? It's the only way. You are insane, Toby. I know I am, James, but go with it. Well, if you say so, then let it be so. Well, any last words if we ever die, Toby? Oh, my final words are, this is reason to be jolly and gay. What? Not that kind. I mean, it's like the happy kind of gay, not the, you know. Oh, I see.
Coaster, the Polar Express. Next
Oh.
stop, 113.44. Next stop.
Oh, boy. Oh.
Young man, that is not
Ow.
the Please take your seat.
Ouch. A few minutes later, eventually, Toby and James got back on the rails again. And they were all having a good time with each other. Happy holidays, everyone. And Sir Talking Hat was about to make a statement. Well, I'd just like to say to you, happy holidays, whether you celebrate Christmas, Kwanzaa, or Hanukkah. Agreed. Amen indeed. Yep. Yeah. And so all the engines, including Robin Proteus, celebrated Christmas, whatever holiday everyone was interested in. And so they lived happily ever after. Oh yeah, and one more thing before we wrap this story up. And the train as well, the Polar Express, are happily ever after, and a good run for Christmas.
Believe in what your heart is saying. Hear the melody that's playing. There's no
The end.